Volatility in cryptocurrency is nothing new, and you should be prepared for it if you decide to invest. According to Ollie Leach, learn editor at CoinDesk, a cryptocurrency news outlet, volatility can be attributed to an immature market. Everything from a celebrity tweet to a new federal regulation can cause prices to skyrocket. If Elon Musk includes the hashtag Bitcoin in his Twitter bio, Bitcoin rises 10%, says Leach. This unpredictability is one of the reasons why investing experts advise against putting a large portion of your portfolio into a risky asset like cryptocurrency. Many experts advise keeping your cryptocurrency holdings to less than 5% of your total portfolio. Day-to-day swings can be frightening for new investors. However, if you've invested using a buy and hold strategy, dips are nothing to be concerned about, according to Humphrey Yang, the personal finance expert behind Humphrey Talks. Yang suggests a simple solution: don't consider your investment. Don't check on it. That's the best thing you can do. If you let your emotions get too much into it, then you might sell at the wrong time, make the wrong decision, says Yang. This is the standard set it and forget it advice that many long-term investors follow. If you can't get on board and the extreme dips continue to worry you, your cryptocurrency investments may be too risky.